Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got some quick news for you about the Gear S3. Now, there's many of you all who have been having problems with the Gear S3 and the battery drainage, and I know you're frustrated. Now, Samsung actually sent out a fix to take care of that battery drain issue, but it didn't work for many of people. But Samsung is actually sending out another one that you might want to give a shot. What can it hurt, right? Now, I went ahead, I downloaded it just to see if it was going to enhance my battery experience. I wasn't having any problems with any battery drainage at all, but I just wanted to see if it was going to change the experience that I'm getting already with my battery. And also, they're sending a fix for this Bluetooth disconnection. Now, I'm having issues with that one. I don't know about you, but many a times I look around, my phone isn't connected, and that helps to drain the battery just that much quicker. That's been my experience. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna give this a shot. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see if it works. This may take a while, especially for the Bluetooth connectivity, but hopefully Samsung has finally got it right this time. And for many of you all who are having issues with the battery drainage, hopefully this is the end. All right, you all, that's it for this quick news. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.